In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your credit card on Etsy. Before we dive into the steps, make sure you're already logged into your Etsy account and that you have access to your shop. It also helps to have your bank or card details ready so you don't have to pause midway through the process. First, head over to your Etsy Shop Manager dashboard. You can usually find this by clicking on the Shop Manager button at the top of the Etsy homepage once you're logged in. This dashboard is your main control center as a seller, where you manage listings, orders, and of course your payment details. On the left-hand side of the Shop Manager, look for the menu column. In that column, click on Settings. This is where Etsy keeps all of the options related to how your shop runs, including language, shipping, and financial information. Within the Settings section, you'll see several tabs. Go ahead and click on Finances. This area is dedicated to everything money related: your earnings, fees, and how Etsy pays you or charges you. Next, under Finances, click on Payment Settings. This is where you manage the methods Etsy uses to deposit your earnings and where you connect or update the bank or card details associated with your shop. On the Payment Settings page, look for an option to edit your payment methods, usually shown as an Edit button. Click on Edit. This opens up the form where you can review and change your financial details. Now, click into the bank name field and start typing the name of your bank. Etsy may suggest banks as you type, so choose the correct one from the list if it appears. Make sure you select the exact bank you use so there are no issues with verification. Next, you'll need to choose your account type. Etsy typically lets you pick between a checking account and a savings account. Select the one that matches the account you plan to link. For most sellers, a checking account is the most common choice. After that, click into the account number field and carefully enter your account number. Take your time here and double check the digits, since even a small mistake can prevent Etsy from verifying your account. Then move to the bank code field and enter the required code, such as a routing number or local bank code, depending on your country. Again, verify that this number is correct. When everything looks accurate, click on Save and Verify Account. Etsy may take a little time to confirm your details, and in some cases, your bank might need to verify small test deposits. And that's it. You've now added your payment details on Etsy so you can get paid smoothly and keep your shop running without